Someone's hands is touching the banana.
Mabibigyan ko siya. Riri! Yummy.
Just bite it. Small bite, okay?
Ako magde-design po.
Small bite.
Anisa, I'm a chef, so you will make me. Mama, ako yung genius dito mag-beautiful.
Okay, touch na. Ito lang, half.
Mami, paano yun?
Half of it. Spread mo siya, half.
Okay.
Good job.
Dito lang, half. Ayan. Huwag na dito sa taas. Dito lang. Ayan.
Alam ko na po.
Ayan.
Wait lang.
Where is it?
Gagawa ko ng happy face.
Huwag mo na laruin.
Hindi po, para...
Here, oh, there.
And then, once it's there, you put,
Ay, lalagay ko yung
put the
banana sa size.
Dito, put mo yung banana dyan.
Hindi ko naintindihan.
Yan.
So, eat it.
Din lang sa may chocolate.
Why?
Kasi itutupi natin.
So, are we making a burrito?
Not too close to each other. You put like this.
Okay. There. Excuse me.
Go to your mom. It's too hot in here. Go to your mama. Yeah. Get it. Go.
Ako na po.
Go get it.
Madami pa yan.
Not
Okay na?
that.
Okay na? And then, we're gonna do this.
Ang galing.
Half.
Are we making a burrito? It's like
Flip.
nakita ko to po sa...
See?
Okay. Okay,
Put it
it's
in
my
here.
turn. My
Then you
turn.
put it in here, in the plate. Looks like a pizza.
No, konti na lang po.
Huwag pa ganyan. Kaya ako nga nag-ano eh. Paano mo siya ngayon malalagay doon? Dapat pa ilalim. Spread it.
Okay. Spread.
You want to see Atis doing it?
Mali yung paganyan eh. Sabi ko nga yun sa ilalim.
Yan, ganyan lang.
Kasi maaano mo, masasandok mo, hindi mo siya malalagay ng
How many
gano'n.
times your mom told you? Twice. Oh, you always
Hindi ka
do
pwede
that.
mag-vlog pala niyan, hindi ka nag-listen.
You always do that.
Papakita mo sa vlog mo, gano'n.
No.
Upot na banana.
Banana.
Hmm?
Huwag mo ubusin yan, Re.
You wanna put it on the plate?
Sige pa, more.
Mami, what is this called?
Crab. It's a
Pag-grow up ko to.
Nutella crab.
Pag-grow up ko po, magtitinda ako mga ganito po.
Okay.
Ano ulit tawag to po? Banana crab.
Banana crab.
Banana frap.
Tama si daddy po. Banana crab. Uy, mo chef! Chef na ako, mama.
How many pieces lang ba yun?
Uy, dulas.
Where's my remote?
Your remote.
Yes. Can I have my remote, please?
You mean our remote?
No, my remote.
Let me see.
Where is it?
There's space.
There's space.
Is that enough?
Yeah. Okay, let me do it.
You already grabbed two. Just one.
Okay. Do like that.
Be careful.
Opo.
Ako na, maano na.
This?
Oh, ikaw na mag-transfer. Here, with the plate.
Get
Pala
close.
Pagpababa, pa ganyan, para hindi malalaglag yung ano.
Banana. Ay, ang inggit ang batang itik. Ay, inggit ang batang itik.
Naayos ko lang po.
Kasi nga, hindi ka pa no? Kasi nga, tayo pa.
Mali na naman yung pag-ano mo. Pag-ano sabi ko sa'yo eh. Pailalim eh.
I wanna be on a cooking show.
Yes, sir.
Lang naayos ko lang.
I like to
Eat.
eat
Pancake and banana.
pancake and banana.
I like to eat.
Eat pancake and banana. I like to
Eat.
eat.
Eat. Wait lang. Pancakes and banana. I like to eat. Eat.
Do you want
Pancake
more
and banana.
banana on your crepe? 80s? No? So
Which
that
one's
is all?
mine?
This one is yours?
I like the one with a lot of chocolate.
Oh, ito na. A lot of chocolate na to.
Okay.
Can't be too much chocolate.
Watch your
Wait
head.
lang. Nakukuntian na tayo.
You need to watch your head.
Mama, magkukat pa ako po.
Sige na, yan na muna yung sa'yo. Hindi mo naman
I want to eat.
Then kay ate na yung the rest.
Apple and banana.
Si juice?
No? You want juice? Riri! Oh, JJ, oh, JJ. Riri, JJ, oh.
Hindi naman yan, JJ.
JJ!
Riri, oh,
Love, love.
Riri, oh, goes JJ, oh. Goes JJ. I think we need more. I need some. We need more banana. Mom.
Come.
Lang pa? Napakabait.
Ang mahal.
Ang batang to. Ito.
Okay na? Oh, you put it here na. Yan.
Parang pizza.
See? It looks like a pizza. Oh, this is what you make.
Pizza.
And then you're gonna put this one.
Sprinkles?
Sprinkles, sprinkles.
Sprinkles. What's that?
It's a
Sprinkles,
sugar. It's confectioner sugar.
Sprinkles, sprinkles.